CIK Telecom Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're doing a full review of CIK Telecom, a growing player in the Canadian telecommunications market. Links to their products can be found in the description below for easy access. CIK Telecom is primarily known for providing affordable internet services and a variety of bundled options, making it a strong contender for residential customers looking for budget-friendly yet reliable service. One of the standout features of CIK Telecom is their internet offerings. They provide both DSL and fiber optic internet plans with speeds ranging from 50 Mbps up to 1 Gbps, making it suitable for users with different needs, from light browsing to heavy streaming. Many of their internet plans include unlimited data, which is perfect for users who stream, game, or work from home without worrying about data overage charges. The ability to select from various speed tiers allows customers to find a plan that matches their specific usage requirements. Another advantage of CIK Telecom is their competitive pricing. They tend to offer more affordable internet packages compared to the bigger telecom providers, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. CIK Telecom also has a solid reputation for providing reliable customer service, with various ways to get in touch, including phone and online support. This is especially important for customers who may need quick assistance with installation or troubleshooting. However, CIK Telecom does have some drawbacks. Their coverage isn't as widespread as the larger competitors, and fiber optic availability is limited to certain regions. Additionally, while their internet plans are affordable, they don't offer as many extras, such as premium TV options or advanced bundles, which might be a downside for users looking for all-in-one solutions. In conclusion, CIK Telecom offers a reliable, budget-friendly internet service with competitive pricing and solid customer support. While their coverage and premium options may not be as extensive as larger providers, it's a great choice for customers looking for a no-frills, cost-effective internet plan. For more information, check out the links in the description.